We guide you through how to host a website on Google Drive for free so you can share your project online quickly. First thing you need to do is sign in to your Google Drive account and create a new folder for your website files. Then, upload all your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files to this folder and make sure your main page is named index.html. Next, right click the folder, select Share, and set it to anyone with the link can view. After that, copy the folder ID from URL and use a free service like Drive2Web to generate a public link for your website. And then open the link in your browser to check that everything is working correctly. Once done, you can share the link with anyone, allowing them to view your website hosted directly from the Google Drive without paying for hosting.